Hello guys, good morning. So what I'm doing now, I'm installing the radiator fan. So before you install the radiator fan, you need to fit the radiator fan guard. Because if you do like putting the installation of radiator fan and next for the radiator guard, it will not work guys. So you need to put it together and fit it to the radiator connector. So now I'm fitting these two part, the radiator fan and the radiator guard. So after I fitting that ones, I try to install already the lug bolts on that. So I already done that one. So next, what I'm doing is I'm returning back the upper radiator hose. So